all of them. Are you ready? There you go. Whoop. She's right here.
Oh.
That's good.
What do you mean I can't stack them?
Oh, see, you're putting them on. Here
Because
you
they
go.
got the holes on them.
Yay! That's so great. You're doing wonderful.
Meatball.
Yeah, you get to playing just a second.
So good. Daddy. Oh, what a
I
slugger!
should've bought
Look
two
how
of them.
far he's hitting them.
Get a ball.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's it. Try something new. Here we go. Like that. Great. Yeah. Ready? Woohoo! Boy.
No, Mama.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Stop. Stop.
Yay, Jackson, look how far you're hitting them.
Woo! Jackson?
Doing
Play
great.
baseball? Okay, you can play baseball.
Oh boy. Here you go. Hold it that away.
Bender in the drawing.
Oh yeah. Okay.